Hi, this is John Ozzy, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Lucas. Lucas has been trading with us from the 26th of April 2021, and this is the review up until the present day of 26th of May 2021. Lucas has made 7.67% gain with a daily gain of 0.24%, a monthly gain of 7.57%, and a drawdown of 3.39%. So Lucas has done very well, maintained the drawdown. He hit minus 1.17% on the 28th of April, but you can see Lucas has been holding the balance till steadily till he hit his 10% in May. So Lucas has had a total of 30 trades. Looking at the advanced analytics, he's won 18 out of 30, which gives Lucas 60%. He's lost 12 out of 30, which represents a 40% loss rate. So I'm curious to see what Lucas has traded. And as we can see, Lucas has traded quite a few pairs here: the Aussie yen, Aussie US dollar, Euro US dollar, pound Kiwi, pound dollar, US dollar CAD, and US dollar yen. And out of all the pairs, he's more successful trading the pound US dollar. And based on this, I recommend you stick to what works for you, Lucas, because sticking to what you know will save you a lot of headache and get you the money easily. And this is what trading is about: small, consistent gains to help you get your 10%. At present, we see you in a nice position with 65 pips, locking in 478.15. This is very good, so keep it up. Looking at your monthly analytics, you made 3.5%, 57% in April and 3.96 in May. So you've done very well. You've actually improved on last month's performance. We've only got one more trading day, which is tomorrow, Friday, and you probably might finish the month now with just over 4%, so which is a good gain of 0.5%. Very good. So Lucas, let's just have a quick snapshot at your pairs that you've traded as like other traders. And one thing I would say is you've done quite the opposite, and I do like the discipline. You've actually used the stop loss in place, and you see the stop loss has hit you out a few times, but you're using a stop loss. Your gains have been between 10 pips to 77 pips on average, but you've maintained a good P&L, and this is a very good attempt. So what I would say is sometimes your take profit, always try and get your take profit on point. But as you can see, you've even gained 40 pips at a certain point in time. So 40 pips, 70 pips does help you get these big gains. On the pound US dollar, you got 74 pips, which helped you get 371.50. But how does Lucas get these sharp entries? It's all about studying and in developing yourself. So read the Candlestick Bible on the internet. Understand price action. Understand technical analysis. Understand what the market sentiment is telling you, and you're not going to be far from success. So Lucas, very well done. Congratulations on your 10%. Although you've had quite a number of trades, but overall you got the job done in 30 trades. This is very good. Congratulations. And I wish you all the best going on to manage $30,000.